Welcome to USA, Dump Roll LLC, your go-to solution for roll-off dumpster rental in Greenville, South Carolina, where efficiency meets reliability. Whether you're embarking on a major renovation, a large construction project, or just a simple home cleanout, we have the perfect dumpster to suit your needs. Our range of dumpster sizes is tailored for every project, ensuring you get exactly what you need for efficient waste management. Experience hassle-free booking with our user-friendly online system. Renting a dumpster has never been easier or more convenient. We are committed to customer satisfaction and environmentally responsible disposal practices, making us a top choice in the community. Our dumpsters are versatile, ideal for both residential and commercial projects, ensuring your site stays clean and safe. Timely service is our promise. Expect on-time delivery and pickup to keep your project moving without any delays. Need help selecting the right size? Our expert team is here to guide you, ensuring you get a cost-effective and efficient waste solution. With a focus on safety, we adhere to strict guidelines for dumpster placement and handling, prioritizing your peace of mind. Discover why residents and businesses in Greenville choose us for their dumpster rental needs. Experience the USA Dump Roll LLC difference. Ready to start? Visit us at www.usadumpanroll.com or call us at 864-707-8200 for easy booking and exceptional service.